gonna kill you.
Dude, it's a robber.
I'm gonna kill you. Give me your
With
money.
a butter knife.
Oh,
Don't push me down and take my money.
no. You fell down, and I am currently hitting you with my butter knife.
Oh, no.
My butter knife right here.
Oh, no.
Oh, snap.
Oh. He took my money. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I had my life savings in my damn wallet. My children.
Bionic Man.
Bionic Man!
I'll kill him with his own butter.
Yes, Bionic Man, you're my hero. He's killing the robber.
Ugh.
Yes.
Bionic Orange Girl.
He's getting my money back for me. He's my hero.
Wait a second. This is a mob. That trickster.
Damn it. No. I hope Bionic Man gets my money.